Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Tribe Beauty Box for the month of April, and I'm about 95% sure that that's accurate. If you're not familiar, this will run you $34.99 and it's every 2 months. This is actually the second box that I'm receiving, so I'm excited to see what's inside and kind of get a feel for it. I was pretty pleased with my previous box. I did have a couple people comment and say that they've had weird bad experiences with Tribe Beauty, but mine has been really good so far. I have no complaints. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got in the box. All right, so there is a little card in there. It's just basically text on a white card. This is a smaller company and it's 100% female owned. So if you're interested in supporting female owned companies, then this would be one of those. And you are supposed to get 5 full-size products valuing at least $100. The card actually gives you the prices, which to me is probably the best thing that they could do, because with Ipsy, for instance, they actually don't tell you the prices, so you got to go find it, and I like knowing the value right off the bat. So the first thing I see is definitely a good item. This is the Original Beauty Blender. This is in the shade Chill, which was a limited edition one. I did notice recently that they re-released the Chill one for $4.20, so yeah, if you didn't get your hands on it, you may be able to go check and see if it's still available. Same sponge, just a different color. $20 value there, which is over half the price of the box, so we're off to a good start. The next thing is by The Balm. This is the Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. I don't own many things from The Balm, so I am excited to have gotten actually 2 things in this box from them. A little mirror on this side and then a powder. It feels pretty nice. It's smooth. It doesn't feel incredibly finely milled, if that makes sense. It feels like it's got a little substance to it, so I'm interested to try this soon, especially during the summertime, which I get a little oily in the nose. I do have some shine throughout the day, so I am interested to give this a shot. This guy retails for $20, so we already have a $40 value, which is more than what you pay for the box. Next, I have the Rodial Glamo Brow Dark Ash Brown. So this is an eyebrow pencil. This one sets you back for $26. Ooh, my god. I don't know that I've tried anything from Rodial before, but this is a really tiny one. I feel like maybe I have tried one thing. So this is a small little pencil. This is definitely not a color that I can really use. I will find someone who maybe would want to try this pencil out, but that's what it looks like. The next item is also from The Balm. This is the Manizer Sisters, the Luminizers. This goes for $28. I've actually never tried Mary Luminizer, which I know that's probably like one of the OG great highlighters, and I've never tried it, so I want to give it a swatch because I'm definitely going to be using this. So we've got Mary Luminizer, Cindy Luminizer, and Betty Luminizer. This is Mary, Cindy, and Betty. I like that this palette has something for everyone, so no matter the skin tone, there is something in here. I'm gonna say the swatches are kind of underwhelming, but I know that this must be much better on the skin because I've heard nothing but people like rave about it, but especially the Mary Luminizer. So I'm just assuming that it applies much better than it swatches, but I feel like that happens frequently with highlighters. A lot of times they don't swatch all that well, or if they do swatch blinding, then they kind of show texture on the skin. So I'm still very excited to give that one a shot. All right, we have one more thing in here, and this is the Bella PA 12 Color Pro Lip Palette. This goes for $50. Yikes. I think this might even be more expensive than an Anastasia one. I'm not sure. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm definitely not going to do any swatches with this because I am not going to keep this. I'm actually going to pass this on in a giveaway, but I'll give you guys a look at it really quick. I actually have the Anastasia lip palette and I don't use it very often, so I really don't want to hold on to yet another lip palette and then it just kind of sit there and go to waste. I really want this to maybe go to one of you guys. So this will go in an upcoming giveaway very soon. I think I'm going to do an Instagram giveaway because it's been a little while since I've done that, just to say thank you, and I don't know, it's fun for me. So definitely go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, because you'll see a giveaway soon. All right, so everything added up, this box has a retail value of $144. That's pretty impressive. So I've got to say, I'm not overly thrilled with this box, just being 100% honest. I'm happy to be able to try out the balm products, and it never hurts to have another beauty blender. The other two items, honestly, a lot of people don't use lip palettes because they don't want to take the time to do it. The brow pencil I really can't use on myself. I can pass that on to someone else. Honestly, overall, I'm not super thrilled with this box. There's nothing in here that I'm like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I do have a few good things, like I said. The balm products and the beauty blender, of course, I will get some use out of. Overall, it was kind of hit and miss for me. I feel like the previous box that I received was a bit better. I will link that down below so that you can check it out if you would like to. I feel like I'm going to give it one more pass, and I'll wait for another box and then kind of decide what I'm going to do. I don't know at this point if I'm going to continue this long term, but let me know what you think, if you feel like this was worth it, if it was a good box, or have you had any experiences with this one. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every view, every like, every comment, anything that you do to support me. I really appreciate it. So thank you again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. One more thing, the dad joke of the day. What do you call someone with no body and no nose? Nobody knows.